हरि ओम। भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः, भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः, स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागंसस्तनूभिः, व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धश्रवाः, स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः, स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः, स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। मंगलम भगवान विष्णुः, मंगलम गरुड़ध्वजः, मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्षः, मंगलायतनं हरिः, मंगलम भगवान शंभुः, मंगलम वृषभध्वजः, मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्षतनं हरः। सभी को, सभी सज्जनों को इस मंगलवार सत्संग सुसंवाद के प्रथम वर्ष के लिए सभी को बधाई देता हूं। बहुत बहुत बधाई। इस मंत्र में कहा है, भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः। मेरे कान हमेशा भद्रतर अच्छा सुनते रहे, उच्च अत्युच्च सद्विचार मेरे कान पर हमेशा आते रहे, और मुझे देखना भी है, वो भद्रतर देखना है, उत्तम है, अच्छा है। मुझे कोई गलत देखना नहीं है, केवल उत्तम ही मेरे आंखें देख। स्थिर ही रंगई ही, मेरे सारे शरीर जितने भी अवयव है, ये सारे स्थिर चित्त से मनन करे, चिंतन करे और सब कुछ मेरे हृदय तक पहुंचा दे। यानी अच्छे सद्विचार घर में आते रहे, बाहर भी और अंदर भी, सभी जगह केवल सद्विचारों का ही आदान प्रदान चलता रहे। मंगलम भगवान विष्णु। ये हमारी जो मीटिंग होती है, ये मंगलवार के दिन होती है, इसलिए बोलता हूं कि ये सब मंगल हो, मंगलमय होता रहे। और भगवान विष्णु, मंगलम भगवान विष्णु गरुड़ के ऊपर बैठ में लक्ष्मी जी को लेके आए और हमको आशीर्वाद दे। भगवान शिवजी वृषभ के ऊपर बैठ करके आए और हमको धर्म का जो वृषभ को कहा है, वो धर्म का चिन्ह क्या है वो सिखाए। हमने जिसको धर्म धर्म कहते हैं वो अलग है, और सद्धर्म हमको क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, ये सिखाने वाला जो धर्म है। जैसे भगवान कृष्ण भगवान ने कहा है, सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य मामेकम शरणं व्रज, और वही धर्म हमको बताए, और वो धर्म केवल और कोई नहीं, हमारे सद्गुरु ही हमको बताते हैं। इसलिए ये सद्गुरु का व्यासपीठ जो बन गया है, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि ये ट्यूसडे वेबिनार बोलते हैं, तो ये हमारा हमेशा ऐसा ही कई सालों तक चलता रहे, इसमें अनेक सज्जनों का मिलाप होता रहे और अनेक साधु संत जनों के अच्छे सद्विचार सुनने का सौभाग्य हम सबको प्राप्त हो जाए, यही मनोकामना करता हूँ। और यही मनोकामना से सभी को शुभेच्छा और सभी को आशीर्वाद प्रदान करता हूँ। धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद विवेक भाव। इससे अच्छी शुरुआत हमारे इस कार्यक्रम की नहीं हो सकती थी। तो एक बार पुनः बहुत धन्यवाद। आप सभी का इस वेबिनार में बहुत प्रेम से स्वागत है। It is a very momentous occasion for us because we started with this webinar on the 16th of June 2020 and we are completing 1 year today. So for any effort to succeed or to carry on, a lot of effort is needed, but more than effort, it has been a matter of grace. Many of our friends have joined us during the year. So I think it will be appropriate if I say something about what this webinar means to me, or what significance does it hold for me. So to begin with, I would say that for a number of years, I had been passing through a period which in spiritual circles is known as the dark night of the soul, where a person feels that all his effort has been wasted, there is no progress. And it was something like this that I was facing, and I had been quite indrawn. I was not able to relate to people. But when grace is behind and grace is powering things, then nothing lasts. Even the dark night of the soul will not last. So things started looking up for me. And incidentally, I met Laila Ahmed. She is a spiritual counselor and teacher, and she runs a lot of programs. And I did a few programs with her, especially one which was called Theta Download. And after the downloads happened, there was something that shifted inside me. And then many things coincided. Hema called up one day and she said, because of COVID, there is an atmosphere of fear and anxiety and uncertainty, and we must do something which will keep people grounded. Now, I was still in that, that mode where I didn't want to really relate to people and go out or connect. So I told her that, look, I am not very keen. But it is very difficult to say no to Hema. And in the next 2 days, we had decided that, okay, we will have a webinar and we will do it for 4 consecutive Tuesdays. And if it works out, it's okay. If it doesn't work out, that also is okay. And I don't know, we were just talking and then she said, when shall we do it? So I said, we'll do it on a Tuesday. So there was no premeditation, it just sprang from inside. And we will call the name Tuesday Gatherings came because we said it is not a good idea to call it a webinar, we will call it a gathering, Tuesday gathering. And we started. And it picked on. Now, one of the first anchors of support was Professor Mungle. I called up sir and I told him कि सर ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हैं. उनका हाँ बहुत अच्छा है करो. And then I asked him one day कि सर आप कुछ आशीर्वाद रूप में हमें कुछ देंगे. तो जैसे आज विवेक बाबू को हमने पकड़ लिया कि आप आशीर्वाद दीजिए और इसी से हम शुरू करेंगे, तो सर को भी मैंने पूछा कि आशीर्वाद देंगे. उनका हाँ मैं वो 7 वीडियो बना कर दूंगा तुमको गुरु तत्व. Unfortunately, this did not happen because sir left his body. But I knew that his blessings are there and grace was palpable. And we started, and initially in the first few programs, I was talking about my spiritual journey and doing everything. But this question came up in my mind that how long can I carry on? Do I have the ability or the merit to carry on a spiritual program like this? I did not get an immediate answer. And in between, I roped in our Guruji from the training days in service, Dr. P.P. Lakkar. Lakkar Sahab is a PhD in Sanskrit. He is a great scholar, a person deeply rooted in the Indian tradition. And for the last so many years, he has been in the forefront of editing the Hindi magazine Kalyan, though he never gave his name to it or to the work that he was doing, because he is a very humble person. He always likes to keep himself in the background. So it was the month of August when I sent a message to him. And in that message I wrote that, sir, you have been our Guru. And we are doing something, but we are just like your children. So if you are there on our group, we will feel that there is a guardian amongst us. And there is somebody who will be keeping watch over us. So Dr. Lakkar got associated with Tuesday gatherings. And he has been a force working behind the scenes. He has never appeared on the program. He's never done anything. But he has been a constant source of support. And I would be ungrateful if I do not acknowledge the kind of support we have received from him, our group has received from him. And then this thought was bothering me that how do we carry on? What is going to be the shape of this program? And then one day when I got up in the morning, I had a very clear message from the masters. And the message was that this is not your program. You are only the facilitator. This is a unique group where people belonging to so many traditions are being brought together. And you are here to learn from each other. So their masters will take care of the program, but you be the facilitator. And the moment this message became clear to me, a lot of burden lifted from my shoulders. And that very day I called up message Sanjay Bhatia and requesting him if he would like to take a few sessions. And he and Anuradha, they did not dither, not a moment. And they both came and gave those 2 beautiful sessions which we always cherish. And the best thing was that many of us, many persons from our group, they started or they were initiated in the Sahaj Marg and they have been meditating in the Sahaj Marg regularly. And then it became obvious to me what the masters had meant when they gave me this message that I have to be the facilitator and people are here to learn from each other. Then we did something on Dada Governed. Anjali ji was there. Anjali ji has been a long time friend. And it was such a wonderful program. People really loved it. And the next morning I received another message. Connect with Guruji, Dr. Prem Nirmal. I had met him 10 years ago. I did not even have his telephone number or mobile number. So I looked up on the Facebook page, sent a message to him, and within a few minutes I had his mobile number. I spoke to him and he agreed to take 2 sessions for us. He was here. Those sessions were really transforming. And in one session, because we have the limit of 100 participants, by 4:28, our limit had been crossed. So many people could not attend the program because it was a special program of Shaktipat Diksha. So many people wanted to take advantage of it. And when we shared this with Guruji, he was very considerate. We said, we'll take a bigger license. Can you do again? And he said, yes. He gave us a date, Tripurari Purnima evening. And we did a program where 300 persons participated and received Shaktipat Diksha. Then it was a time when Swatantra Kumar ji had started sharing his spiritual journey. And what a journey it was, and what a talk it was. Such a wonderful sharing, which people loved it. It's a kind of a spiritual compendium which anybody can refer to anytime. And the best part is that we are keeping all these videos on YouTube. So these are referable. People can go back to them and see. Then many things happened. And Rajan Bhai came. And what a success he has been, and how much people love him, what kind of insights he has shared. We have all been enriched. And this is a platform where Minatai came. Her videos, her sharings of teachings of Professor Mungle, they are so heartwarming and heart-touching that we just look forward to whatever she has to say. So this has been a playground where I have seen, the Gurus playing their Leela and giving us so much. We cannot thank them enough. Master Uma Rajan came, she shared the secrets of soul healing, and so many people have been benefited from this. So for me, it has been a wonderful journey. It was as if the sense of doership, which was creating a burden on my mind, was taken off. And I was given a clear signal that you just participate in what is happening. And when you participate, the struggle is not there. I got these insights that I would think of, prepare something and think of what meditation we will conduct or what instructions I will give. And in the middle of the instructions, those instructions got changed. So the understanding came that the masters wanted this other instruction to be given. So I had to be open. So it has been a great learning experience for me. And I can never thank the group enough. Because of you, this change has come into me. And one of the greatest advantages of the group was that because of this group, I came in contact with Guruji, Dr. Prem Nirmal, and his wife, Guru Ma Bharti Nirmal. In our ancient traditions, we have the story of sage Yajnavalkya and his wife Maitreyi, both masters in their own right. And in Guruji and Guru Ma, I see the same thing happening here. They are in constant communion with great masters like Mahavatar Babaji, Swami Lakshmanju Maharaj, who was the great exponent of Kashmir Shaivism. And these masters are giving a lot of teachings through them. And the purpose is only one: how to raise the consciousness of people. There is an urgent need to raise consciousness because Mother Earth has changed its vibration and frequency. And if we don't change, then many people will not be allowed to continue on this planet. So it is the need of the hour and we have to do it. And it is also our bounden duty. We are here to know the truth. And this group gives us the opportunity to be together and share our search and learn from each other. And for this, I have to give my heartfelt thanks to Hema, because but for her insistence, this would not have happened. You need a spark to ignite a fire. So she was the spark that ignited this fire of Tuesday gatherings. The masters have chosen her to be the instrument, and we have to be thankful to her for it. We have received many heartwarming shares because we had asked people to share their experiences. But before we share those, I want to tell you a few more things. It may seem like teaching, but it is just sharing. There are a few things that I want to tell you. Because masters are working through us or through the group, people's lives are changing. But have this awareness that this group is the guru for you. It is said that when the guru resides in some place, you go there, every speck of dust in the courtyard of the guru can shower grace upon you if you are open. So if you have come here to Tuesday gatherings, you are in the courtyard of the Guru. So look for signals. How can I be a better disciple? So when something is being said or told, it is not that BP God is speaking or some teacher who has appeared on the program is speaking. It's the Guru speaking through that person in that time. So if you have this awareness and carry it home, you will benefit and share with you. It's a wonderful place. And we want to make masters out of you. That is why we have been asking people to come forward and take sessions, share their learning. Each one of you has tremendous understanding, great knowledge. Many of you have been in spiritual life for decades, 30 years, 40 years. So share that knowledge. Why can't you share it? Share the understanding. Because when you share, when you teach, you grow. When my Guru Mai asked me to teach, I did not know if I knew anything whatsoever. But just because I was made to do that, I began to learn. And when I began to learn, my entire life changed. The great transformation happened. And the other thing is that the new age that is coming is the age of service. It is the age of connectivity. If you will not connect, the old style of sadhana that you go to a cave and just sit there is not going to work. Because the masters require you to serve. to connect with people. So always ask yourself, how can I serve others? Yesterday I was talking to somebody and I told him that, look, I learned this particular technique, healing technique. I have done this. Some people have been very benefited. And the first reply that came from him was, I am not good enough. Now the question is, you haven't tried. How do you know that you are not good enough? So try and do something that you haven't done. And you will notice that you can do more. And liberation lies in your ability to do anything. As long as you are feeling that I am not good enough, I cannot do this, how can I do this? You are not a sincere seeker and you are not on the path of liberation. So this is what I wanted to tell everybody. And for me, it has been that kind of journey. When we started, we did not know how to conduct a Zoom meeting. We did not know how to edit videos. We did not know how to do it. There are people who have sent us audios. Then I asked them yesterday and day before that, you please send a picture of yours. So now with the audio and the picture, we have combined them and made a video kind of thing so that when you hear their audios, you see their pictures. So we have learned something. It may be a worldly thing, but it is a spiritual thing because we did it with love. It is our program. We want to put something which is really good, which will make you feel good. There is love in it. So have that kind of ownership over whatever you do, whether you are sweeping your house, whether you are doing work in the kitchen, talking to your friends, relatives, children, whatever. But have that attitude. Am I doing it with a sense of offering myself to the divine? And the moment that attitude comes, there will be a sea change in everything. And if what brings you to Tuesday gatherings, when we will read the shares, you will see people say it's love. I feel attracted to it. There is such thing. So that attraction and that love must start percolating and it must start capturing other lives. There are some people who have done tremendous work. Hema, Suman, they have invited so many people. Rashmi has invited many people. So that is all that I wanted to say. And we have a very special gift for all of you. Guruji Prem Nirmal, I had requested him or told him that we have been having these webinars and if he would like to give us his blessings. And though I did not give him much notice, it was just day before yesterday night, he has recorded a short video and given to us. And please keep your videos open because a true master, when he looks at you, he transmits his state to you. So on this special day, you can enjoy the company of the master, a living master, for these 3 minutes or so. Hemaji, are you going to play it? Okay. So Hema is going to play it and just keep your your eyes open, and when Guruji looks into the camera, just look into his eyes and enjoy the experience.
Namaste to all the members of Tuesday Gathering and my dear friend Sri Brahmprakash Kaur and his entire team. It's a great pleasure for me to talk to all of you on this landmark of completing 1 full year of Tuesday Gathering. Any such activity needs tenacity, and perseverance to continue on a regular basis. Consistency is the key, and great round of applause for all of you to complete this one full year of Tuesday gathering. It had been my fortune to attend few sessions of Tuesday gathering, and gratitude to Ram Prakash ji for inviting me to talk to all of you on a couple of occasions. I feel so happy to be connected with all of you. Any activity that adds to the awareness and understanding of humanity is a godly work, Ishwar Karya, and Tuesday gathering activity is doing a wonderful job to raise the vibrational frequency of all the members, and the videos which are going on to the YouTube are seen by thousands others. So it's a great activity. Let us all continue this with great enthusiasm and vigor, and I look forward to celebrate 100 weeks maybe next year after 2 years. So look forward to celebrate 100 weeks of Tuesday gathering. It will be a great pleasure to connect to all of you once again. Let us celebrate this moment and connect heart to heart in love for 1 minute. Let's connect in love and silence. Thank you very much. I love you all.
Thank you, Guruji. Just sit quietly for a moment. Connecting with the Master allows us access to the state of the Master. So just let that state build a sound foundation inside you. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes very gently. Many people have sent such lovely sharings to us. And that includes Hema also. I told her that you do it live, but she said no, I prefer an audio. So I could make out that perhaps she wanted to keep it business-like and didn't want to get emotional about it. So as the arranger of this program, so she goes first, And then we have Minatai, who has been very intimately associated with us through so many videos that she has given. And we have some of our members who have given us some wonderful sharings. So we will be watching all these. So Himaji.
Sir, increase the screen.
Good evening, everyone. So I had this dream in 2018 in which I saw Gaur Sir is introducing me to a room full of gurus, masters and teachers of different paths. I narrated this dream to Gaur Sir and we thought it's the stories that he shares with me whenever I need more clarity in my life situations. But Guru Principle had its own way to shine upon us. Tuesday gatherings happened in June 2020, and what a journey it has been. I am very much rooted in my path towards self-discovery. I am more calmer and balanced when life cartwheels. The major shift, or I would say sthirta, came with Dada Gawan's teachings. During our webinar, whenever I see the gallery of participants, I feel so blessed to be under this massive umbrella of love. I feel like a child who is being looked, loved, and blessed by so many parents. My love to all, gratitude to the Guru Principle, which is always shining and works in a mysterious ways. Thank you.
ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधि साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। शाश्वत और सनातन गुरुपीठ आदिगुरु भगवान दत्तात्रेय, दत्तात्रेय के सभी पूर्णावतार, सभी साक्षी, सभी सिद्ध, सर्व ऋषि जन, मेरे सद्गुरु डॉक्टर गुरुनाथ विश्वनाथ मुंगले, भगवत प्रेम से मत्त आप सभी जन, आप सबके चरणों पर सर्वप्रथम मैं नतमस्तक। आज अपने ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग को 1 साल हो रहा है और इस ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग से मैं जुड़ी ही हूँ तो अपने सद्गुरु के माध्यम से। जब गौर साहब ने सबसे पहले सद्गुरु को ये योजना बताई तो सद्गुरु बहुत प्रसन्न हो गए। उन्होंने कहा, बहुत अच्छा प्रयास है। सभी के मुंह से अपने सद्गुरु की प्रतीति, अपने सद्गुरु के अनुभव सुनते और सुनाते वक्त ऐसा लगेगा कि गुरुचरित्र मानो सभी युग में प्रकट हो रहा है और ये सबसे अच्छा सत्संग है। तो वो अपने आशीष देना चाहते थे और उन्होंने बताया था, मैं कुछ वीडियो बनाकर आपके ग्रुप के लिए ज़रूर दे दूँगा, लेकिन ये हादसा हो गया और वो वीडियो बन नहीं सके। तो जब ये बात मुझ तक आई, मेरी तो पात्रता नहीं, मैं तो इतने काबिल ही नहीं, लेकिन जब अपने सद्गुरु के बारे में कुछ कहने का मौका मिलता है तो बड़ा आनंद होता है और सोचा कि बताऊं। और मेरे मन में ऐसी मेरी अवस्था थी उस वक्त कि मेरे सद्गुरु मेरी आँखों के सामने नहीं थे। 36 बरस का हमारा सहवास टूट चुका था। मैं अंदर से टूट चुकी थी, बहुत आक्रंदन हो रहा था, लेकिन किसी से कुछ कह नहीं सकती क्योंकि सभी कुछ कहते कि इतना तत्वज्ञान है जो तुमने सद्गुरु से सुना है, मालूम है गुरु तत्व तो शाश्वत और सनातन है, फिर भी तुम ऐसा दुख क्यों करती हो? लेकिन इस तत्वज्ञान से मेरा मन नहीं मानता था। मेरे अंदर से दुख मानो ऐसे छा गया था मुझ पर कि मैं किसी को कुछ बोल नहीं सकती थी। और उसी वक्त मुझे ये मौका मिला कि ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग में मैं अपने सद्गुरु के बारे में कुछ बताऊंगी। और जब बताने लगी तो ऐसे लगा मानो उनका सहवास मुझे फिर से मिल रहा है और वो गुरु तत्व ऐसे ही प्रकट हो रहा है और फिर से वो सभी घटनाएं मैं फिर से जी रही हूँ और आनंद हो गया। और मेरा दुख भी मैंने आपके सामने रख दिया तो मुझे हल्का भी लगा। और जब सिर्फ मेरे ही कहने से नहीं, मेरी अपनी मजबूरी से मैं जूम पर नहीं आ सकती, लेकिन जब भी मैं ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग का हर एक प्रसंग, हर एक ट्यूसडे को देखती हूँ तो ऐसे लगता है गुरु तत्व अलग अलग शब्दों से, अलग अलग सद्गुरुओं के अनुभूति से और अलग अलग लोगों के माध्यम से ऐसे प्रकट हो रहा है, ऐसे छलक रहा है और सबको ऐसे हर एक मोड़ पर वो अपनी झलक दिखा रहा है और हमें कह रहा है गुरु तत्व तो शाश्वत और सनातन है। और इसी से कुछ दुख हल्का होने लगा। ये है अपने ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग का यश, इसी में समाया है। वैसे तो इसके लिए गौर साहब को पसंद नहीं, लेकिन मैं कहने से नहीं रह सकती, खुद को नहीं रोक सकती कि गौर साहब के प्रयत्न से ही हम सब इकट्ठा हो गए और ये गुरु तत्व का समुंदर ऐसे लहराने लगा, तो बस उनके ही अथक परिश्रम से। और इसलिए मैं तो उनकी कृतज्ञ हूँ। आद्य शंकराचार्य जी का चरित्र मैंने पढ़ा था तो एक उनका कहना मुझे बहुत पसंद आ गया। उन्होंने कहा था कि समुद्र तरंगों से समुद्र पर तरंग होते हैं, लेकिन तरंग समुद्र के होते हैं, समुद्र तरंगों का नहीं होता। गुरु तत्व से हम ऐसे जुड़े हैं कि वो तो ज्ञान का महासागर है और हम उस पर आने और हम उसके तरंग है और इस तरंग से हम एक दूसरे से बंधे हुए हैं। तो जब हम ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग के माध्यम से अपनी अपनी अनुभूति प्रकट करते हैं तो वो तरंग, वो ज्ञान के महासागर से, वो गुरु तत्व के उठने वाले ये तरंग ऐसे झूमते हैं और सबको खुशी बांट देते हैं। गुरु तत्व फिर से सजग होता है और उसके सचैल स्नान से हम सब पुलकित हो जाते हैं और खुशी से झूमने लगते हैं। इसका ये है अपने ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग का यश। और इसीलिए मुझे पसंद है गुरु चरित्र। जब गुरु चरित्र के बारे में मेरे सद्गुरु को कोई पूछते थे कि इस काल में ये ऐसी घटनाएं अब कैसे बनेगी और ये कर्मकांड कौन करेगा, तो सद्गुरु मेरे कहते थे कि गुरु चरित्र कभी खत्म नहीं होता, हर एक काल में वो रहता है। अपने अपने सद्गुरु के माध्यम से वो गुरु तत्व ऐसे ही घटनाओं से, अनेक लोगों के माध्यम से अपनी अपनी अनुभूति प्रकट करता है। वो कभी खत्म नहीं होता। हर काल में, हर युग में गुरु तत्व शाश्वत और सनातन है। ऐसे ही इस ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग को 1 साल हो गया तो कोई बात नहीं, ऐसे ही सालों साल ये गुरु चरित्र चलता रहेगा। हर एक के माध्यम से अपने सद्गुरु की प्रतीति प्रकट होती रहेगी और ऐसे ही हम तरंग के माध्यम से उस अनुभूति से झूमते अपने आप को गुरु तत्व की ओर और बढ़ाते रहेंगे, कदम बढ़ाते रहेंगे। हाथ में हाथ मिलाकर हम सब चलते रहे उस गुरु तत्व की ओर। यही है हमारे ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग का यश और इसके लिए मैं कृतज्ञ हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Namaskar Gorsa, Shat Shat Pranam. I really don't know how to thank you for having invited me to be part of Tuesday gatherings. More so that I may not be free to join. Despite that, you gave me the liberty of attending whenever I am free. And I think that was a life-changing moment for me. Particularly in the corona time, I had recovered from the illness and I was really struggling, handling myself both physically and mentally. Tuesday gathering has made an immense difference to me. I will first share some general perceptions and changes that I see in myself, and then also mention 2 specific examples of benefit that I have seen. In general, as a person, I think I have become more relaxed, more happy, more stress free, and very important, which even my family members agree with me, is that I have learned to control my anger. I am not a naturally very angry person, but after the illness, I had become very angry. Every little thing I would react, and that came under control, and I'm so happy with myself. The other problem, I think, like every other individual, I was facing fear. That fear has vanished today, and I really can't tell you how wonderful I feel about that. 2 specific examples that I would like to cite. One is during the meditation, where you had a guided meditation and you took us to meet our Guru. And I was so lucky that I actually got a message from the Guru, and I did share that with you personally. But that was such a wonderful message for me that till today it's there at the bottom of my heart. The other wonderful experience I had was with Sri Vivek Bhau. You have shared the Stotra, Shiva Stotra, and I have been listening to that quite regularly at that time. I even now listen to it, but not so frequently. But during one session when I wasn't feeling very good, I was lying down and listening, and I suddenly felt Vivek Bhavu was actually reciting that mantra in my right ear. And in between, suddenly I felt that there was some tirtha sprinkled on me. It was almost like that. I was not close to any window, neither was it raining, and there was no scope for any water to be there at that point. And this was amazing experience. For all this, I thank you so much, so much. No words would suffice for the thank you that I would like to say to you. I would also take this occasion to thank Hemaji for being the force in starting Tuesday Gathering. And I must tell you, Gaur Sahib, your meditation in Tuesday Gathering is for me an addiction, and now it's changed to the Saturday addiction. Thank you so much for everything. For me, you have been a guru. You will always be my guru. Thank you.
Namaste all. My name is Nazia and I am part of this divine group since November. It all started with a message from an unknown number with a group in common. It was the message from Gaur Sir. In his message, he had mentioned he felt like sending the message to me. Thank you, Gaur Sir. Thank you, Divine, for this wonderful gesture. To keep it short, I will mention 2 qualities of the group that I feel is keeping me embedded here. First is the sharing of experiences with the gurus. When I came across any experience sharing about my guru, either in a discourse or a chat, it created a special feeling within me. When I heard the interactions here, it caused a similar feeling, and I just could not keep away from it. I have been a believer in Guru Tattva before I came here, and it has been my firm belief from within that it is my Guru that guides me to meet and learn through various great gurus and teachers, great saints. This belief was confirmed and is now deeply embedded within. Thank you so much. Second thing is the love and nurturing from all the members of the group. I have no words to express how blessed I feel being in the group, whether it is in Telegram, Zoom, or YouTube. Thank you all for creating this nourishing environment for outliers like me. Somehow I feel this is the place where I will be heard and understood. My confidence in my spirituality has increased dramatically after being here. I can express myself in a much better manner than before. My home energy has changed. My family members are now able to see a different perspective to their situation. In short, suffering has greatly reduced. Healing has happened at many levels. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
हृदयस्थ सद्गुरूंना नमस्कार. मी जीवन बाप्तीवाले, सद्गुरू गुरुनाथ विश्वनाथ मुंगळे कोल्हापूर यांचा शिष्य, ज्यांना आम्ही सर म्हणत असो. गौडसाहेबांची आणि माझी मुलाखत सरांच्याच घरी झाली. पहिल्या मुलाखतीपासूनच मी गौडसाहेबांना जोडला गेलो. मध्यंतरीच्या काळात गौडसाहेबांनी ट्यूजडे गॅदरिंग नावाचा गट स्थापन केला. त्या गटामध्ये मलाही समाविष्ट करण्यात आले. गेल्या 6 महिन्यापासून मी गटातील मीटिंगला नियमितपणे उपस्थित राहण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असतो. ट्यूजडे गॅदरिंग या गटाला आज 1 वर्ष पूर्ण होत आहे. त्यासाठी आपण भेटत आहोत याचा मला खूप आनंद होत आहे. मी सर्वप्रथम गौडसाहेबांचे आणि गटातील सर्वांचे मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो आणि 4 शब्द बोलतो. गटातील मेंबर हे गुरुभक्तीने प्रेरित झालेले असून प्रत्येकाने त्यांना मिळालेली साधना अतिशय नेमाने, निश्चयाने व नेटाने करत आहेत. ट्यूजडे गॅदरिंग गटामध्ये आपल्याला गटातीलच बरेचसे लोक मार्गदर्शन पर व्याख्यान करतात आणि त्याचा आपल्याला खूप उपयोग होतो. माझा वैयक्तिक अनुभव असा आहे की जेव्हा आपल्याला आपण कुठेतरी थांबलेलो आहोत असे जाणवते, तेव्हा एखाद्या व्याख्यानातून आपले सद्गुरू जी अडचण आलेली आहे ती सोडवण्याच्या दृष्टीने मार्गदर्शन करतात असे मला वाटते व माझी श्रद्धा पण आहे. गौडसाहेबांना सगळ्यांना बरोबर घेऊन जाण्याचा स्वभाव आहे. त्यामुळे प्रत्येक साधकाला त्याची आलेली अडचण कशा पद्धतीने दूर करता येईल आणि ती सोडवून तो कसा मार्गस्थ होईल हा त्यांचा स्वभाव असतो. आणि मलासुद्धा त्यांचे मार्गदर्शन बरेच वेळा मिळालेले आहे. ट्यूजडे गॅदरिंगच्या गटासाठी ज्यांनी आपल्याला मदत केलेली आहे त्या सगळ्यांचा मी आभार व्यक्त करून येथे थांबतो. धन्यवाद.
Respected Gaur sir, dear Hema ji and all the members of Tuesday gatherings, आप सभी को मेरा सस्नेह प्रणाम. I am a chemistry postgraduate, a Reiki and hypnotism practitioner, a Brahma Vidya sadhak, basically a healer. Somehow I was not inclined to a spiritual path in so many years. Till 2020. My sister, Srimati Prabha Salgarkar, introduced me to Tuesday gatherings. The very first webinar on forgiveness provided to be a path breaker for me. Friends, during last 20 years, I have faced many tough, trying and challenging situations in my life, which left a very deep scar on my mind as well as body. The meditation of forgiveness brought out all that which was stacked within me for years together. The feeling of guilt, injustice, depression, everything. I cried profusely during that meditation. But after the meditation was over, I felt so relaxed and relieved. Tons and tons of pressure was knocked off from my shoulders. Today I am much more balanced and peaceful person. The webinars and meditations on Guru Tattva were very, very powerful. We got to know about teachings of great gurus like Adarniya Mungle Sir, Soli Bhai Tawriya Ji, Muktanand Ji, Osho Ji, Sadhguru Ji, Dadaji Gavan, and so many more through their great disciples. We are so grateful to all of them and to their disciples too. It was this Guru Tattva meditation where Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev gave me darshan as well as the blessings. I am so grateful to you, Gaur Sir, for that. Friends, last whole year has been a tough year for us. Many of us lost our near and dear ones. We feel so helpless and so pessimistic. The meditation of grounding with Mother Earth proved to be a ray of hope in this regard, removing all the anxiety, sadness, insecurity of life and fear of death and evil, everything, and injecting our minds, souls with all positive energies and thoughts and a sense of protection in that loving, protecting cocoon. Friends, last December I had very painful herpes infection in my left eye and left portion of my face, forehead as well as the head. It was a very painful condition, unbearable pain. But our webinars, meditations, my chanting and countless and precious prayers done by our friends on Prayer at 10 group, they all pulled me out of this condition. I am grateful to all of you for that. Gaur Sir, 2 months back, you introduced us to Umaji. Umaji gave us the key to a treasure called soul healing. Umaji, soul healing is not only helping me in healing physical, mental and emotional condition, but it is also helping me in healing relationships. Gaur Sir, my journey on a spiritual path is just started. Tuesday webinar is a guiding torch for me to enlighten my path. My countless gratitudes to you, Gaur Sir and Hemaji, for making this happen. And many, many congratulations to you and all of us on this anniversary day. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Good evening to all. This is Rashmi from Hyderabad. On this first anniversary day of Tuesday Gathering, firstly I would like to convey my sincere gratitude to respected Gaur Sir and dear Hemaji for conceiving and implementing this divine idea of roping all spiritually oriented people to this online forum during the time when the entire world was facing the physical crisis which was so alien to mental and emotional being of human that it overwhelmed the minds with the sense of insecurity, and it was difficult indeed to beguile the being from the negative thoughts of uncertainty about the future. So, Tuesday gathering through my eyes began as the mitigation drive against the lower consciousness. So before I move ahead, I must convey my special thanks to dear Sumanji who introduced me to this forum. Again, my special thanks to the entire gamut of speakers of this forum for sharing their spiritual journey, which awakened many minds. The unfolding mysteries of spiritual journey through them certainly generated enthusiasm and confidence in the seekers. Now, if I come to my personal transformation or spiritual gain through TG, it's beyond my capacity to summarize 12 months in few minutes. So I will mention few points briefly about my gains. Firstly, I started looking at Tuesday as the most favorite day. Secondly, every week I got the assurance that I am heading towards the right direction and my direction is guided thoroughly through my master, maybe known or unknown to me. So keep going. This webinar made me more oriented, enthusiastic, disciplined, and optimistic for my spiritual journey. Every Tuesday gave me assurance that all the co-travelers are heading for the same destination. Just that they are boarding through different stations hardly makes any difference. So this was all about my journey of awakening with you all, in short of course. A big thank you to the entire team of TG from Spiritually Yours, Rashmi.
Sir, you have to stop share.
Yeah. No, but there is one video which is missing. What we have done? We missed out on this thing. Hema, can you show Lakshmi's video?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Overall, I would like to express my gratefulness for this congregation which has made so many differences to my life. To put it in short, one, I have found the Guru who is presently guiding me. One. Two, I have become a Saguna worshipper from a Nirguna worshipper. I don't know whether we call it progress or not, but it is a fantastic experience that I am going through at the moment. Third, something that I've been wanting to do for maybe 30, 40 years has now crystallized. I'm learning the abhangs, and that the way it has happened is also very fantastic. And one last thing I would like to share is when I was anchoring the session last two Tuesdays ago, and I had a fantastic experience where I realized that it was the blessings of Eknath Maharaj whose Abhang I was singing. And to follow it up, I had my Abhang class just 2 days later, and there the first line of the Abhang which we were learning that day started this way: Sadguru ne माझे आशीर्वाद दिला. Literal goosebumps running all over my body. I shall try to give you more details as and when we get an opportunity, but this is for now. So great thanks once again, and Sashtanga Pranam to all the gurus who are gracing the congregation, as also Gaur Sahib, who has been almost a guru to me, whether he likes it or not. Thanks a lot. Pranam to everybody. Dear all,
Sir, there is one more. Can I
Huh?
play?
Yes, you go ahead. I was looking at one video that I wanted to show, but it is not.
So in the meantime, I will play one audio which is there with me, and you can keep searching. So give me a moment, please. Yes.
Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. Namaste everyone. Salutations to the masters and gurus who are bestowing their grace on this Tuesday Gathering group. Happy birthday to Tuesday Gathering group. I am Jayesh from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. First of all, I am offering my pranams and a deep sense of gratitude to revered Sri Gaur Sir, Hema ji, other respected admin members, and also to all the group members who are actively involved in the Tuesday Gathering satsangs. Most of the time, I am not able to join live because at around 4:30 I am in office and also on Saturdays, but I do watch all the sessions on YouTube. In my life, Gaur Sir's name has been truly manifested with its full meaning. Brahma Prakash, light of the Lord. I keep receiving his guidance for my spiritual practices, and I keep deepening my understanding about my sadhana since last many years. In fact, I am blessed to have a twofold connection with Sri Gaur Sir. First is via the Siddha Yoga path, and second is via Sri Soli Tawarejai Sahib. Gaur Sir has initiated this Tuesday Gathering satsang or webinars at a time when there was an atmosphere of fear, anxiety, uncertainty, and there was a general sense of darkness which prevailed in the psyche of the people due to COVID-19 pandemic. At the time, personally, I was feeling a bit low on my sadhana, and especially my meditation practice was like derailed. Then, like a divine plan, Tuesday Gathering came to my rescue as I watched Shining with Grace video, in which Gaur Sir expounded on the Guru principle, and he led us in a very powerful meditation session on the Guru. After that session, I experienced a very deep and strong connection with my Guru. That meditation rekindled a fiery love within me, and I was brought back on track on the path of my own sadhana. This revival of my sadhana anchored me in a state of tranquility and peace. Energetically, I felt secured and detached from what was going in the world around me, and that still continues as I am speaking here. This is the great boon Tuesday Gathering Satsang has bestowed on me. Thank you. Thank you very much to Gaur sir and each one of you. There was a deep yearning to meet spiritual masters, saints, and evolved beings in me. But it is very difficult to find real saints in modern life. Also, due to my life's personal and professional duties, I was not able to travel and explore the company of saints and evolved seekers. I was regretting that bit internally. Tuesday Gathering has fulfilled my wish, as this is a platform in which I got precious opportunity to meet different masters and saints and got to learn about various paths and systems. It expanded my perspective and enhanced my understanding about the sadhana. I feel that mundane life or material life is a very demanding and challenging, and maybe that is the case for many. There are personal and professional duties, life's distractions, personal limitations, inertia and emotional upheavals, fear, apprehensions, and whatnot. On the other hand, we all have a constant inner quest to pursue spiritual paths. Sometimes I was finding it difficult to maintain a balance between mundane and spiritual life. When one lives in the material world, one gets company of the people who only wish to enjoy life and their goal is nothing beyond it. Masses are moving in that direction. On the path of sadhana, there is no crowd and one has to walk alone. Sometimes the seeker feels lonely as he has to move into the opposite direction against the masses. Doubts and confusion arises that am I doing the right thing? Tuesday Gathering has provided a cure for this confusion to me. Every week there is a Tuesday Gathering webinar. Seekers are gathering and there are exchanges of highest knowledge in a very disciplined and a pristine manner. Even if satsangs are arranged online, purity and serenity is maintained so beautifully. Tuesday Gathering is like an e-sangham or virtual sangham or e-ashram. By being part of this group, one feels protected and enriched spiritually. A sacred river of spiritual knowledge is flowing in Tuesday Gathering Satsang, and one can drink its nectar and get nourished. One feels that he or she is not alone, as there are other seekers, other fellow beings. They are doing their spiritual practices diligently. There are evolved beings who are sharing their wisdom and grace so generously every week. Tuesday Gathering provides much needed motivation and support to a spiritual aspirant. Many, many pranams and love to each and everyone. Very humbly, I pray at the feet of the Masters that may the Tuesday Gathering journey continues and keep evolving in various forms as per Master's wish, Guru's wish, God's wish. Thank you again. Sadguru Nath Maharaj Ki Jai.
So there is one last share that we have. Just give me a second.
The Tuesday webinar have been an anchor in my life.
This is Deepa's.
For the past 1 year. I look forward to them every day.
Emma, the volume is very low.
Okay,
okay.
Though. Shall I?
Sir, let me increase the volume. So this is Deepa's share. So, I'm just playing it again.
Yeah.
The Tuesday webinar have been an anchor in my life for the past 1 year. I look forward to them every day. They have made me a calmer person, and I have been observing many changes in myself. I am less frantic about falling sick, as I have realized that though death in this life is inevitable, it is only a phase of the bigger picture, and life goes on after death. Especially the feeling that the spiritual practices we learn during this life will continue in some form in the next life have been very calming to me. I also feel that I am not very frantic now. When the webinar started, I was very upset that I do not have a guru, and I wanted a guru. I wanted to know the future. I wanted to know how to change the future, etc. However, with these webinars, I have realized that I will get a guru when God wants me to. And I do not hanker about knowing the future for myself and my daughters. I have in many ways accepted things as they are, and I'm trying to be grateful for what has been given to me. On a physical plane, I have found that my sugars have reduced, that I have been able to manage my blood sugars in a much better way. And I consider it a big success that I have managed to go without going to a doctor or hospital for 1 year. I also find that my desires for material things such as clothes, good food, better phones, etc. have almost disappeared. I also do not play any online games now or watch any movies or serials. I have also not been able to read any fiction books, which I used to do a lot earlier. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. I am very sorry. There was one very beautiful share from my friend of 50 years, Gyan Prakash Srivastav. But somehow this system is not allowing me to share that. So I don't know. I think I will put it on the Telegram group so everybody can enjoy.
Sir, he is there. He can share live.
You can share live, Gyan bhai.
Sir, Gyan bhai,
the field is yours.
Yes. Sir, if you need a minute, we can give you a minute.
Nice, nice.
Okay.
टीजी ग्रुप के सभी साधकों का इस वार्षिकी पर हार्दिक अभिनंदन और सप्रेम नमन। मेरा नाम ज्ञान प्रकाश श्रीवास्तव है। मैं कोलकाता में रहता हूँ। आप सबके लिए जो गौर साहब हैं वो मेरे लिए पिछले 50 वर्ष पुराने सहपाठी और अभिन्न मित्र ब्रह्म प्रकाश हैं। कई बहुमूल्य वर्ष हमने साथ साथ भाइयों की तरह बिताए हैं। रोजी रोटी की मजबूरियों के कारण हम एक दूसरे से बहुत करीब न रह सके, पर मन की निकटता व स्नेह में कभी कोई कमी न हुई। टेलीफोन पर संपर्क बना रहा। सक्रिय जीवन से मुक्त होने के बाद हम अक्सर ही एक दूसरे से बातें करते थे और हाल चाल लेते रहते थे। कुछ कारणों से पिछले कुछ वर्षों से मैं सहज नहीं था। मेरी सोच थोड़ी नकारात्मक हो चली थी और मन में कुछ प्रश्न थे, जैसे मैं कौन हूँ, क्या हूँ और मेरे अस्तित्व का क्या अर्थ है। अर्जित ज्ञान से इनका कोई समाधान न मिल रहा था और प्रश्न आंदोलित करते रहे। मैं बिखरने की कगार पर आ गया था। एक दिन अचानक मैंने ब्रह्म प्रकाश से इस बात की चर्चा कर डाली तो इन्होंने मुझे इस टीजी ग्रुप में सम्मिलित कर लिया। इस प्रकार अध्यात्म पथ से मेरा परिचय शुरू हुआ। मैं पूर्ण रूप से सांसारिक पथ पर चलने वाला एक प्राणी रहा हूँ। अध्यात्म की विधा में यह मेरा प्रथम प्रयास है और मैं बेबी स्टेप्स लेते हुए आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ। यह तो नहीं कह सकता कि अपने प्रश्नों का उत्तर मुझे मिल गया है, पर मैं आश्वस्त हूँ कि मैं सही मार्ग पर हूँ और उत्तर अंतर अनुसंधान से अवश्य मिलेगा। पिछले 1 वर्ष से मेरी मन स्थिति में बहुत परिवर्तन आया है। अब नकारात्मक सोच नहीं सताती है। मैं अपने पुराने बिंदास जीवन की ओर मुड़ चुका हूँ। मन विश्वास और उल्लास से भरपूर रहता है। टीजी ग्रुप का वेबिनार आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान, परस्पर प्रेम और सौहार्द की एक कल्याणकारी गंगा है। इस सत्संग की महिमा ऐसी है कि हर मंगलवार को लेकर मन में एक बहुत ही बड़ी उत्सुकता बनी रहती है। सत्संग के बाद ध्यान सोने में सुहागा की तरह काम करता है। ध्यान के बाद मेरा चित्त बहुत शांत हो जाता है। टीजी की प्रेरणा से प्रेयर्स एट 10 की अवधारणा हुई और देखते देखते रोज आधे घंटे का सामूहिक प्रार्थना तुरंत कार्यान्वित भी हो गई। मेरी समझ से इस वैश्विक विपदा काल में यह एक अभिनव और सामायिक प्रयोग रहा। सामूहिक प्रार्थना से ने हम बहुत संबल दिया। हम अकेले हैं इस बात का भय कभी नहीं लगा। इतने प्रबुद्ध, अनुभवी, सक्षम, प्रतिभावान, सरल एवं सिद्ध साधकों का यह समूह विलक्षण क्षमता का स्वामी है। ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना है कि टीजी ग्रुप रूपी यह ज्ञान गंगा यूं ही सतत प्रवाहित होती रहे। आप सबका एक बार फिर हार्दिक अभिनंदन। बहुत ही मान और सम्मान के साथ आप सबका आभार और शुभकामनाएं। प्रणाम।
Thank you, Gyan. Now we can take 1 or 2 more shares. Who will be sharing? Jisi Srivastava sir, would you like to do something?
जी.
Something short and sweet, sir.
So yeah. तो ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो व्यक्तिगत तौर पे मैं समझूं तो जहाँ मेरे गुरुजन हैं, मित्रगण हैं, मेरे मेंटर्स हैं, प्रेरणा स्रोत हैं, सीनियर्स हैं, तो मैं इस सानिध्य से बहुत कृतज्ञ हूँ, पहली बात। दूसरा, सबसे जब मैं रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा था अभी कि क्या ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग्स के 1 साल के ऊपर, तो मुझे एक मुंगले सर से एक दर्शन के दौरान उनका एक निर्देश याद आने लगा। उन्होंने एक बार मुझसे कहा निर्देश के तौर पे कि आप गौड़ साहब को कभी मत छोड़िएगा। तो मुझे तो उस समय उसका संदर्भ समझ में नहीं आया था, लेकिन आज लगता है कि कितना प्रोफेटिक था वो सेंटेंस। शायद अगर मैं कुछ थोड़े बहुत भी चेंजेस पा रहा हूँ अपने में, तो ये ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग्स और आप सबका सानिध्य है। और अगर चेंजेस की बात करूं तो सबसे पहले तो जो मैं देखता हूं कि एक व्यक्तिगत स्तर पर, ऑफिस के काम वगैरह की बात नहीं, एक डिसिप्लिन की कमी थी, जहां मेरे परिवार के लोगों ने और मेरे मित्रों ने बहुत कोशिश की जीवन भर कि मैं सुबह उठूं, कुछ मॉर्निंग वॉक करूं, कुछ व्यायाम करूं, लेकिन कोई उसमें सफल नहीं हो सका। ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग्स के 2 महीने के अंदर पता नहीं कैसे क्या भाव आया और एक संकल्प जगा कि मैं कुछ ऐसा करूं और उठूं, और आज मैं कह सकता हूं कि मैं 2 घंटे की पूरी अपनी शारीरिक या इस जो आध्यात्मिक यात्रा के कुछ पल है, मैं उसको बिताता हूँ। दिनचर्या एक अलग बदल गई है। और ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग्स के शुरुआती जो वेबिनार्स थे, तो उनमें सबको याद होगा कि गुरु तत्व पे बहुत चर्चा हुआ करती थी, बहुत हुई शुरू में, और लोगों के बहुत गहन अनुभव सुनने को मिले। तो सारी आस्था और विश्वास के बावजूद भी कहीं एक मन में विचार रहता था कि आता था कभी कभी कि कोई मेरा गुरु नहीं है। उसी दौरान शायद 17 जुलाई के आसपास की बात है, गौड़ साहब ने एक लिंक भेजा ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग्स, उसी साइट पे ही बाबा नित्यानंद जी की पुण्यतिथि थी और उनके वहां पर समाधि स्थल पर कुछ कार्यक्रम होने थे। मैंने उसको ज्वाइन किया। दोपहर में, शाम को और रात में उस कार्यक्रम में वर्चुअल मोड से मैंने उसको अटेंड किया। और रात में पता नहीं हृदय चक्र पे कुछ ऐसा तीव्र गति से कुछ अनुभव होने लगा। मुझे नहीं मालूम कि वो एनर्जी फ्लो था या चक्र उसकी क्लीनिंग थी या क्या था, लेकिन कुछ बहुत असहज करने वाला क्षण था बहुत समय तक। सुबह जब सो के उठा तो फिर बैक हार्ट चक्र पे भी बिल्कुल वैसा ही होने लगा। तो बहुत बेचैन मन होने लगा कि ये बहुत, उसकी तीव्रता बेचैन करने लगी। तो मैंने गौड़ साहब को फोन किया और गौड़ साहब ने बात सुनी और थोड़ा हंसे और बोले कि अच्छा, तो बाबा का आशीर्वाद मिल गया आपको। तो मुझे लगा कि देखिए, अगर गुरु की कृपा या उसका ग्रेस बरसना है तो शायद ये भाव बेकार है कि गुरु किस फॉर्म में आपके साथ है। एक बहुत बड़ा रियलाइजेशन था मेरे लिए, कम से कम व्यक्तिगत तौर पे मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी एक क्षण था वो। इसके बाद जो मैं महसूस कर पाया कुछ चेंज, एक धीरे धीरे इस प्लेटफॉर्म से जुड़ने के साथ ही एक एक्सेप्टेंस का भाव बहुत गहराता गया, और जो रेजिस्टेंस था लाइफ में लोगों के प्रति या परिस्थितियों के प्रति, वो खत्म होता गया। और एक बहुत सहज अब एक भाव महसूस करता हूँ जहाँ कोई ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस नहीं है। इसी के साथ एक कृतज्ञता का भाव भी पैदा हुआ, और इसी कड़ी में मुझे लगा कि कुछ आसपास कुछ जो लोग हैं उनकी कुछ सेवा कर सकूं। और फिर गौड़ साहब की प्रेरणा से मैंने कुछ कोर्सेज जैसे प्राणिक हीलिंग के किए, कुछ दाव प्रैक्टिसेस के किए, और इस भाव से कि कोई प्रोफेशनल कोई वो नहीं है, सिर्फ ये कि आसपास कुछ लोगों को अगर उनकी कुछ कष्ट में निवारण कर सकूं, कहीं मदद कर सकूं, तो शायद ये एक बहुत बड़ी एक सेवा होगी और एक अपना कृतज्ञता होगी। और अंतिम चीज जो मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगा कि इसी वेबिनार में संजय भाटिया जी के उससे कितनी प्रेरणा मिली उनके अनुभव से कि, और फिर अनुराधा जी का एक एनकम्पा रही कि मैं ज्वाइन कर सका सहज मार्ग में उस हार्टफुल मेडिटेशन को, जो एक आज जीवन का एक वो भी एक अंग बन गया, जो भी इसी गैदरिंग्स की देन है। तो मैं तो समझता हूँ कि जो भी 1 या 2 कदम भी इस यात्रा में अगर उठा पाया हूँ तो सारी की सारी ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग्स की देन रही है। और इसीलिए मैं सबका सत नमन करता हूँ और इस धन्यवाद गौड़ साहब को या हेमा जी को देने के साथ ही ये बहुत बड़ी कामना करता हूँ कि ये प्रेरणा हम लोगों को मिलती रहे इसी तरह से, और मैं चाहूंगा कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म इसी तरह बढ़ता रहे। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। 6:10 हो रहे हैं, एक शेयर ले सकते हैं। पवन मित्रू जी बोल रहे हैं कि मैं 2-3 मिनट बोलना चाहता हूँ। मित्रू जी अपने को अनम्यूट करें।
हाँ जी मैंने कर लिया जी। आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ आवाज आ रही है। 1 मिनट, just hold on for a moment, let me see if I can trace it. Yes, हाँ बोलिए।
हाँ जी नमस्कार जी। मैं इस ग्रुप में पिछले 7-8 महीने से जुड़ा ही हूँ और मेरे को इसके अंदर
थोड़ा जोर से बोले
तो शायद मेरे शायद इसमें माइक में कुछ इशू हो सकता है। मैं उसको बंद कर रहा हूँ, माइक बंद कर देता हूँ। आवाज आ रही होगी बेटर? ये आवाज आ रही है?
Hema, can you hear me?
नहीं आ रही? Can you hear me?
Hema, you have muted.
Yes sir, yes sir, please continue.
नहीं आ रही, आवाज आ रही।
तो मैं इस ग्रुप में स्वतंत्र कुमार जी के थ्रू इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ और वैसे मैं किसी को नहीं जानता यहाँ इसमें। और लास्ट ईयर लॉकडाउन से पहले मैं एसएन तवरिया जी के बारे में यूट्यूब में कुछ ढूंढा करता था, तो वो नाम डालने की वजह से आपके यूट्यूब के जो वो लेक्चर्स थे, ये एपिटोम ऑफ लव 1 and 2, उसके थ्रू मुझे इसके मैं वो देखने लगा वीडियोस ट्यूसडे के। और उसके बाद स्वतंत्र कुमार जी के जो 10 इश्यूज रहे वो बहुत अच्छे रहे, मेरे लिए बहुत इंस्पायरिंग रहे। और मैं कभी इसके अंदर अपना वीडियो ऑन नहीं करता था, मुझे लगता था शायद उससे कोई डिस्टर्बेंस ना हो जाए या कुछ ना हो। तो आज मेरी सुबह बात हुई थी धर्म प्रकाश जी से, उन्होंने कहा जी आपको कभी इसमें देखा नहीं, आपका कैमरा बंद होता है। तो आज मैंने कैमरा ऑन करा। आई वाज नॉट वेरी मच अवेयर एंड फेमिलियर विद Zoom मीटिंग्स, तो आज मैंने इसको ऑन करा, ऑन करके देखा था कि तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत ही अच्छा प्रयास है। और हम जैसे लोग, क्योंकि मेरे को जैसे अपने आप में थोड़ा इन्फिनिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स रहता था कि आई एम नॉट एज गुड एज अदर पीपल, तो आज सुबह जो मैंने ब्रह्म प्रकाश जी से बात करी तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि मुझे ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा वो विचार कि जब हम अपने दिमाग से सोचते हैं तो हमारा दिमाग हमको ये समझने नहीं देता। ये बात मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी जो मैं सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। इसके लिए मैंने स्पेशली करी ये बात कि ब्रह्म प्रकाश जी ने इतनी अच्छी बात बोली कि जिसकी वजह से शायद मैं अब आपसे बात कर पा रहा हूँ सबके साथ। उन्होंने ये बोला कि जो हमारा दिमाग है वो हमें ये एहसास नहीं होने देता कि ये शरीर जो है ये भगवान का मंदिर है और इसके अंदर भगवान है। तो वो जो ज़्यादा लोग दिमाग लगाते हैं वो इसको समझ नहीं पाते। मैं आज मैंने ये बात की और तो बातें जितनी मर्जी कर रहे हैं, बट ओवरऑल आई एम थैंकफुल टू एवरीबॉडी। ज़्यादा लंबी बात ना करते हुए ये मेरी आज की लर्निंग हुई जिसकी वजह से मैं आप सबके सामने आ पाया, शायद ना आ पाया।
थैंक यू सर। हेमा, मेरी आवाज आ रही है सही?
जी सर, जी सर।
ठीक। और किसी को कुछ कहना सुनना है या फिर ध्यान करें? जी ये मेरा पता नहीं शेयरिंग तो ये अलाउ नहीं कर रहा, वरना मैंने कुछ रखा हुआ था ध्यान के लिए।
If anybody wants to share something, they can come. I see some mic unmuted.
मेरा है।
Nupur, you want to come?
हाँ।
Yes, please go ahead. Go ahead.
सभी को मेरा बहुत बहुत प्रणाम और हार्दिक नमन। बस एक लाइन बोलूंगी कि मेरे लिए ये ट्यूसडे गैदरिंग में आना एक रस्सी के समान है, जो जब कोई डूब रहा होता है तो उसको बचाने के लिए एक रस्सी फेंकी जाती है, उसको पकड़ के इंसान ऊपर आ जाता है। तो दिस इज माई फीलिंग, व्हाट आई थिंक अबाउट माई एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट बीइंग हियर। और बहुत बहुत आई मीन थैंक यू इज अ वेरी स्मॉल वर्ड। सुमन दीदी, स्वतंत्र सर, गौर अंकल, हेमा जी, एवरीबॉडी। और गुरु कृपा की अनुभूति हर समय अब मेरे साथ रहती है। आई एम द अवेयरनेस एंड आई एम एबल टू वॉच।
And quite an inspiration
तो
for
मैं एक ही
senior citizens.
मैं एक ही प्रसंग सुनाना चाहूंगी और आपका धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी। मेरी मदर मेरे पास रहती थी करीब मेरे फादर के जाने के बाद से, परंतु 2009 में मेरे हस्बैंड की तबीयत बहुत ज़्यादा खराब हो गई और हम लोगों को बॉम्बे शिफ्ट होना पड़ा। तो हम अपनी डॉटर के पास आ गए और नवंबर 15 को मेरी मदर का देहांत हुआ। उनकी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब थी, मैं वहाँ जा नहीं सकती थी मेरे हस्बैंड को छोड़ के। और दिसंबर 9 को मेरे हस्बैंड की डेथ हुई, तो इसलिए मैं मदर को देख नहीं पाई और उनकी कोई भी सेवा नहीं कर पाई। तो वो मुझे बार बार मन में कसोटते रहता था हमेशा। परंतु मैंने आपका फॉरगिवनेस मेडिटेशन अटेंड किया और आप विश्वास नहीं करेंगे, उसके बाद से मुझे जो शांति मिली है, मैं एकदम इसलिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आज ओपनली करना चाहती हूँ सबके सामने कि उसके कारण मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे लाइफ में फ़र्क पड़ा है। और मैं सबको ये उदाहरण देते रहती हूँ कि ये कितना यूज़फुल है, आपको इसको करना चाहिए और हमेशा हमको फॉरगिव करते रहना चाहिए हर चीज़ को। और मेरे जीवन में अब मैं वो हमेशा ही उसका पालन करती हूँ, इसलिए आपका बहुत 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 धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू। अब एक बात ये जो आपने कहा कि मैं सबको बताती रहती हूँ, ये बात तो बहुत ही नोट करने की है, क्योंकि जिस अभ्यास से हमको कुछ मिला है तो हमारा ये कर्तव्य हो जाता है कि हम दूसरे लोगों में उसको मुक्त हस्त से बिल्कुल खुले दिल से बांट दें, क्योंकि इसी तरह से हम दूसरों की मदद कर सकते हैं। हमारा काम है लोगों को बता देना। कभी कभी होता है लोगों को कुछ मिला है किसी चीज से, वो दूसरों को नहीं बताते या उनके सामने खुलते नहीं है, क्योंकि सोचते हैं कि पता नहीं ये क्या सोचेंगे, इससे होगा कि नहीं होगा, हमारी बात सुनेंगे कि नहीं सुनेंगे। लेकिन हमारे गुरुमाई जी ने बोला था कि जो अभ्यास तुमने किया है और जिससे तुम्हारा जीवन बदला है, वो जाओ और सबके साथ बांटो। तुमको पता नहीं है कि कब किसके जीवन में वो अभ्यास कारगर हो जाएगा और उसका जीवन बदलेगा। और अगर वो जानेगा तो किसी दिन वो भी बांटने चलेगा दूसरों को। और उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि दिस इज योर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टू द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ मैन। हमारे गुरुजी प्रेम निर्मल ने आशीर्वाद में आज यही कहा कि जो भी इस सत्संग हो रहा है या कोई कार्यक्रम हो रहा है, तो क्या है, ये जो कलेक्टिव कॉन्शियसनेस है उसका अपग्रेडेशन, उसका जो स्पंदन है, वाइब्रेशन फ्रीक्वेंसी है, उसको अपग्रेड करने की बात है। तो अगर हमको कुछ मिला है और हम जाकर इसको दूसरों के साथ शेयर करेंगे तो उनका भी कल्याण हो जाएगा। इसमें कभी हो सकता है कि हम किसी को कुछ बताते हैं वो सुनता नहीं है, उसकी चिंता नहीं करनी चाहिए, अपना काम है बता देने का। तो किसी को तो जिसको जरूरत होगी वो तो पकड़ लेगा और उसका कल्याण होगा। तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है आपने कही कि आप सबको बताती हैं, ये अच्छी चीज, बहुत अच्छी। थैंक यू। तो मेरे ख्याल से हम लोगों का समय तो करीब करीब समाप्त हो रहा है, बस 5 मिनट का कुछ एक छोटा सा ध्यान कर लेते हैं। So just sit erect and become aware of how your body is holding and supporting itself. And now begin to pay attention to your breath. And the moment we begin to pay attention to breath, it becomes soft and gentle and deep and rhythmic. The body begins to settle down as the breath settles down. And the breath is the bridge between the body and the mind. So as the body and breath both settle down, the mind also begins to settle down. Become aware of the point at the top of the nasal passage where the breath turns inside to go into the lungs, but which is the seat where the prana is being collected and disseminated. Allow your attention to move to the top of your head. And from there, watch the breath as it comes in and as it goes out. And at the same time, you can become aware of the movement of prana, which moves up from the Muladhara as you breathe in and moves down to the Muladhara as you breathe out. If you cannot experience the prana, don't bother about it. Just be focused on the breath. Thought resides in movement. As long as the breath is moving or the prana is moving, thought is. But in the midst of movement, there is always the turning point, the sandhi, the junction. It is where the in-breath has come in, but it has not become the out-breath. Or the out-breath has gone out, but it has not turned into the in-breath. Where the prana has moved up and has not gone down, or where the prana has gone down but has not started moving up. And in this junction point, there is a gap. And in this gap, there is absolute silence. It is the no thought zone. The resting place of the yogis, the enlightened masters. So become aware of the gap. Feel the immense clarity and energy that is there in the gap. Everybody wants to get rid of the mind. Everybody is being plagued by the questions the mind throws up. But in this gap, the mind rests in silence as pure potential of being. That is your natural state. You are that. Tat Tvam Asi. So be more and more aware of the gap. And if you notice that any thoughts are arising, or you are caught in the movement, do not be upset. Very gently figure out the gap, the junction point, and rest there. This gap is the way of the eagle, the Vihingam Marg. The path of effortless effort. Where effort has dissolved because creation has dissolved. You are resting in your own pure being. This is the goal of Tuesday gatherings. Rest in that gap. And since the time is short, you may gently come out of this state, bringing yourself back to your body awareness, back to the identities you are so familiar with, back to the roles that you play in life. But having tasted the gap, you know that you are not your identities and you are not your roles. You are pure being. So as you come out, you may gently rub your palms together. Put the palms on your eyes and let the energy move from the palms into your eyes. Take a few deep breaths. And give your love to yourself by caressing your face with your palms. Loving attention is the key. We have completed 1 year thanks to love. And it is all that we can share most willingly with ourselves and with everybody else. Thank you, everyone. And may the Masters bless us all the time. And our gratitude to all the teachers who have appeared on our gatherings and who have disseminated so much knowledge, insight, and understanding to us with so much of love. Love has been kindled in their hearts by their masters, and they are sharing it so freely with everyone else. So let us thank the Guru Principle and all those who represent the principle here. And as Buddha said, Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. We take refuge in the Sangha. We take refuge in Tuesday gatherings. And give it our gratitude and love so that it can nurture all of us in every way possible. Thank you, everyone. May God bless all of us. Thank you.